Where can you find a home with tranquil, long-range lake views, nestled up against the Hurdzan-Fry Championship Golf Course? Right here in Somerset at the Plantation. Come on, let's go take a look at this great estate home. As you enter the 3-bedroom plus den home, you'll immediately have a feel of grandeur with over 2,600 square feet of living space. Tile flows throughout the home with elegant designs of plantation shutters, tray and coffered ceilings, plus great natural lighting. A wonderful footprint with split bedrooms and great separation. Rich and warm tones await you in your private dining area. The family room is open and inviting with spectacular views of the pool and lake. Take a few steps and the family can gather in the well-equipped kitchen, complete with designer cabinets, top-grade cookware, and plenty of space to prepare award-winning meals. Need to find a little private space to get away? A TV nook or an office? I've just found it for you. Are you ready to retire for the evening? The master suite is private and expansive, and the perfect way to wind down each and every night. There's several large walk-in closets and an oversized ensuite bathroom, complete with jacuzzi tub, sitting area, great counter space, and even a designer walk-around glass shower. There's 2 additional split bedrooms with a Jack and Jill bathroom that provide great space for the kiddos. The outdoor space is simply inspiring. Hours will be spent gazing through your 40-foot picture screen window, waterfront views, and relaxing sounds of the water feature that simply melt your stress away after a long day. Hi, I'm Troy DeMond of Royal Shell Real Estate. Can't you see yourself living in this amazing waterfront estate home? Give me a call today to see this listing or any other of my featured properties.